Good afternoon, guys. Welcome to Oaks Group. It's part exchange to clear day today. Obviously we sell nice stuff, 15, 20, 25, 30,000 pounds plus. We take part exchanges and we end up getting to the end of the road, as I like to call it. And this is one of those cars. This is a 2004 04 Mini Cooper convertible, petrol. Done 147,000 miles, guys. Little bit of history, drives all right. Had 4 new tyres, a new battery. It's cheap, guys, yeah. It's sub £1,000. It's being sold as spares and repairs. It needs an MOT. It failed in May on a rear shock absorber. We're not going to get involved, okay? It is just what it is. I don't think we'll have it more than 5 minutes because it's cheap. But the purpose of the video is to go around the car, tell you about it. But it is sold on a trade basis, no warranty implied or given. You can come down, you can have a drive of it, you can have a cup of tea, you can make an informed decision. Yeah, but the minute you've driven off my site with this car and paid me, any issues you have with it will be your issues, not mine, okay? Just to be absolutely clear with you guys. So this is coming part exchange. It's got a few ouches around it, guys, a few dents. I don't know whether you can pick them up on the camera on the bonnet there. But I've driven it about 10 miles, drives all right, the electric windows work, the power hood is working partially. So the first section will fold back and it is trying to fold the hood, so the motor is working, but it needs some attention, okay? Central locking's not working, you have to lock it with a key, but we have got 2 of them, and it's out of MOT, okay? So it needs a rear shock absorber to get an MOT on it. All the wheels are curbed, the tyres are recently new. We're just going down the panel work. There's a scratch there. There's a scratch there, probably mop out, but we're not going to get involved. That wheel's damaged. That tyre is recently new. Look on the other side. But it's, you know, it's got dings and dents, 147,000 miles. But as I said, I've done 10 miles in this year. It drives all right. A few noises, but nothing you'd worry about. Clutch is fine. There's a dent there, that alloy's scuffed and dirty. That tyre is new. New battery recently, but here, guys, look, yeah? That alloy scuffed, that tyre new. Around the back of the car, that rear bumper's got some marks on it. Okay, I mean, you may want to spend the 400 or 500 quid it's going to cost to get this car roadworthy again and drive it around, I don't know, but like I said, it's cheap. It's sold as spares and repairs with no comebacks trade sale, yeah? We've got 2 keys for them, both work. Central lock is not working. Cruise control amazingly works. Electric windows work. Air conditioning works. So it's not a bad old thing. I just need the space back. Look, you can pick that scratch up there, look. Load of handbooks. Got some keys, got a provenance check. I think it's 5 owners in total. That's what it is. Okay, no MOT, guys, out of MOT. 20-year-old Mini, done 147,000 miles, convertible. That's when it failed the MOT on, guys, 5 minutes ago. Okay, so looking at that, it just needs a front shock absorber fitted. You wouldn't notice in the way it drives, and it's got some service invoices and a service book here. I'm sure it's not asking for a service, but there's some early history there. So there we go. That's what it is. It's cheap, okay? It's sold on a trade basis, no warranty implied or given, okay? For spares and repairs, needs an MOT. We're not financing it. We're not MOTing it, yeah? But if you want a cheap Mini, a little bit of a project, this is probably not a bad bet. Thanks for watching.